Next, we're going to look at how to use the FGCU databases. These databases are collections of information put together by different vendors. Each database serves a specific purpose. You'll learn to recognize some of the better ones as you practice researching. You can get to the FGCU databases by going to the main library page and clicking on the Databases tab. If you know what database you're looking for, type it in or click on the letter it starts with. For now, let's look at all the databases. We have almost 400 databases in total. Figure out what database you need for your research by clicking the drop-down box for all subjects and narrowing down to your subject. Alternately, you can use the All Databases Type drop-down box if you're looking for a specific kind of database like newspapers or primary sources. I'm going to show you the database ProQuest Central, which is a large interdisciplinary database that covers a lot of topics. Go to the P's and scroll down. There are several ProQuest databases as they're one of our largest vendors. Click on ProQuest Central. You may need to log in with your FGCU email and password. We start with an advanced search. Like with the library catalog, type in your search terms or phrases. You have limits immediately available, or you can use them after you search. You usually get a lot of results in this database, so remember your limits. We have over 16,000 results here. Limiting to scholarly journals gets us down to 1,300, a drastic difference. Note that some of these databases are not in full text here. You can click Check for full text, and the system will try to find them in another database for you. You can also limit to full text. I talk about peer-reviewed articles in my source analysis video. They're the gold standard of academic journals, so let's limit to those to narrow down a little more. Some of these articles are in Spanish. You can limit by language down at the bottom of the limits. Date can be very useful to get to the most current scholarship. Move the slider and then click Update. Next, we'll look at the subject limit. If you click More, you can both include and exclude topics. This is like using Boolean operators and keywords, but way easier. Click the topics to include or exclude, then click Apply. The last limit we'll look at is document type. This lets you weed out book reviews and other documents that don't quite fit what you need, although sometimes it doesn't get rid of all of them. I generally limit to feature and articles so I can capture the best content. When you've gotten to the articles that look the best, click on the title to see the full information. Remember, you want the PDF if it's available because this will have images, charts, and graphs. You can download, print, and email up in the top right corner. You can also see a computer-generated citation, but be careful because these aren't always correct. Always double check to make sure that it's right before you put it into your paper. There are a lot of different databases that I could show you, but ProQuest Central is one of the best multi-purpose databases for you to learn to use. If you want to check out some other useful databases though, try Academic Search Complete, JSTOR, and Oxford Bibliographies Online. If you need any help, just send me an email.